It was a big day for the Colorado Avs' own Brock Nelson, scoring 2 of Team USA's 5 goals. Nelson is a third-generation Olympian. Both his grandfather and uncle played for Team USA. 88-year-old Bill Christian was a forward for the 1960 Olympic team, and they won gold in California. Dave Christian, Nelson's 66-year-old uncle, was a forward for the Miracle on Ice group that won gold in Lake Placid in 1980. These were the last 2 U.S. Olympic hockey teams to win gold at the Games. We asked Nelson how the two reacted when they found out he would get a chance to continue his family's legacy.
My grandpa was super emotional, which is a fun conversation to be a part of. Big supporter and big fan for me, and anyway, tracks each and every game here. My grandfather, great uncles, and my uncle David, what they accomplished. So to share with them was really special. And I could tell he was getting pretty choked up. So.